Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best child shovel is probably one of the most underrated tools for kids. Whether they're helping in a garden, building sandcastles, or just exploring the outdoors, a good child shovel can spark their curiosity and provide hours of fun. But with so many options available, how do you choose the right one? In this video, we'll dig into the best child shovels on the market, helping you find the perfect fit for your little one. Number 5. JustForKids 4-piece Kids Garden Tool Set. Introducing the JustForKids Garden Tool Set. This 4-piece set is designed for young gardeners. It includes all the essential tools for outdoor fun. These tools are built to last. They feature sturdy steel heads and real wood handles, ensuring durability. They're perfect for little hands and big adventures. The metal heads and wood sticks are securely bound together. This enhanced technology prevents them from falling apart during use. It's built to withstand enthusiastic play. The metal heads are stronger and thicker, suitable for older kids. This design ensures the tools can handle various gardening tasks. It's a safe and reliable choice. Safety is a priority, so each tool has a protective cap. These caps provide extra protection for kids while they play. This set is designed with your child's safety in mind. Each tool is up to 27.5 inches in height, perfect for kids aged 5 and up. It's the ideal size for young gardeners to enjoy the outdoors. Let them explore and have fun. What we like? This set features sturdy steel heads and real wood handles, ensuring durability for your young gardener. Enhanced with a protective cap, it prioritizes safety during play. If you're looking for a durable and safe set that can withstand enthusiastic play, this is the perfect choice for your child. What people say. This shovel is the perfect size for my toddler. The shovel is very sturdy and well made. The wooden handle is smooth and easy for little hands to grip. Number 4. Top Race 6-pack Beach Pails Sand Buckets and Shovels. This 6-pack of beach toys is perfect for kids. It includes colorful plastic buckets and white shovels, great for building sandcastles and digging. It's designed for outdoor fun at the beach or sandbox. These toys are lightweight and stackable, making them easy to carry. They're ideal for beach trips, poolside play, or backyard adventures. This set makes summer outings more enjoyable. Crafted from durable plastic, this set is built to last. The smooth edges ensure a safe grip for toddlers and young children. They are ideal for all-day play. This set is ideal for beach play, water fun, or even garden activities. Kids can dig, carry water, collect shells, or build creative sand structures with ease. This set is a fantastic addition to summer events, birthdays, or poolside fun. These small bucket sets make fun party favors, stocking stuffers, or creative playtime accessories. What we like? This set is bright, engaging, and built to last with durable construction. It's also portable and travel-friendly, making it ideal for any adventure. If you are planning a beach trip or a day at the sandbox, this set will provide hours of fun for your kids. What people say. Each kid had their own bucket to collect special rocks, and the different colors helped to eliminate any confusion or arguing about which bucket belonged to which kid. These were sturdy enough to fill with rocks, but small enough to provide a reasonable limit on each collection and contain sand and water so my car didn't get messed up. We used the buckets to hold sand from a sandpit archaeological dig, and they held up well. Number 3. Kids Garden Tool Set, Pink. Introducing the Kids Garden Tool Set. It's designed with smooth, rounded edges for safety. These tools are just like the ones mom and dad use, but sized perfectly for little hands. This set has everything your child needs to start gardening. It includes a shovel, fork, rake, gloves, a watering can, and a handy tote bag to keep everything organized. This kit promotes outdoor play and learning. It's a great way for them to learn about plants and nature while having fun in the garden. Whether they're pretending to plant flowers or helping in the real garden, this kit will spark their imagination. It's a wonderful way to nurture their creativity. The set includes tools with wood handles and metal heads. The gloves are polycotton, and the bag is made of durable nylon. It's recommended for children 3 and up, with adult supervision. What we like? This kit is designed with kid-friendly features, including smooth edges and a complete set of tools. It also promotes essential skills through outdoor play. If your child loves to mimic you in the garden or wants to learn about plants, this set is perfect for nurturing their creativity. What people say. The tools are very durable. Very sturdy wooden handles and steel tool ends. They are not cheap plastic, they are wood with metal ends. Number 2. Click N Play 4-Piece Kids Gardening Set. Introducing the Click N Play 4-Piece Kids Gardening Set. This set is perfect for young gardeners. It includes everything they need to get started. This set includes a rake, a leaf rake, a shovel, and a hoe. It's designed for kids to work alongside their parents in the garden. They will love it. This set promotes physical activity and learning. It's a great way for children to learn about plants and nature. It's ideal for family fun. The tools are made of durable wood and metal. They are designed for outdoor playtime and built to last. This set is very high quality. Each tool has a leather loop for easy hanging. This makes storage simple and convenient. It measures approximately 27.5 inches long. This gardening set is a great gift idea for kids ages 3 to 8. It's perfect for birthdays, holidays, or any special occasion. They will be thrilled to receive it. What we like. This 4-piece set is designed to promote physical activity and learning. The tools are made of durable solid wood and metal, with a leather loop for easy storage. If you have a young gardener who loves to help in the yard, this set is a great choice for them. What people say. The shovel is the perfect size for my 3-year-old. It is very sturdy and well made. The wood handle is smooth and easy for little hands to grip. Number 1. Play 22 4-Piece Kids Garden Tool Set. Looking for the perfect outdoor toy? This Play 22 garden tool set is designed for kids. It's a great gift for any occasion. This set includes a shovel, rake, hoe, and leaf rake. Each tool is made of high-quality metal with a durable wooden handle. It's built to last. These tools are designed for outdoor play or helping in the garden. They are functional and safe for children to use. This set encourages outdoor activity and learning. It's a great way for kids to learn about plants and gardening. Safety is a priority. The tools have protective caps to ensure extra protection for kids while they play. What we like. This set features high-quality metal tools with durable hardwood handles. It promotes outdoor physical activity and learning. If you like the idea of your child having tools that are just like yours, but sized for them, this set is an excellent choice. What people say. They are heavy-duty and something a child can really use. The shovel can easily go into dirt as long as it's not incredibly hard, and the other tools work just fine. The head of the tools being metal is awesome though. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.